Alright, welcome to my channel, and I want to show you how to make these nice, good, delicious brownies with caramel inside with pecans. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made them. Alright, the first thing we're going to need 2 sticks of butter, like we got here in this bowl. Okay, the very next thing we need to do is we need to add 2 cups of sugar. Okay, the next step we need is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's 2. Next, you want to add 4 eggs. Okay, next you want 3 to 4 cups of cocoa powder. Okay, next you want 1 to 4th teaspoon of salt, just very little. Next you want to add a cup of flour. If you're using all-purpose flour, you want a half a teaspoon of baking powder. But if you're not, like me, I'm just using self-rising, so I'm going to skip that method. Just use the flour. Okay, once you get all that in there, you want to use one of these little spatula looking things, and you want to stir this in very goodly. I got to put this down so I can work on it. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to put a little bit of pecans in here. I got a bag full of them. They're kind of dump them in here. They're whole pecans, or they help, yeah. That's enough. Don't need a whole. Okay, the next step, I want to put some of these in here. I think it might make it taste a little better. Okay, once you get the originals, the caramel in there, we're going to stir this in real finely. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven, on the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit, and for about 45 minutes until it's done. Okay, we'll come back. Look at that, it's looking good. Be done in a few minutes, but it is looking good already. Alright, I just now pulled this right out of the oven, and it's very hot. It takes a minute for the center to, hard up a little bit, but it's really soft. I'm not going to touch it right now. I'm going to let it cool down, and then we'll slice this up and come back. Now look at this. Look at these brownies right here. These are delicious brownies. I tell you, they are very good. They got pecans. They got Worthington's original caramel inside. Very delicious. Let's take a bite of it. Man, it's so good. It's very tip top. It's very, a little crunchy. The middle is chewy, like a brownie supposed to be, or pecans. Very good. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and I will be bringing you more videos like this. And I want you to hit that bell, and don't hit the bell so you don't miss, notifications and stuff like that. Y'all have a wonderful day.